Hey guys, back again with another fall video. I know I have been pumping out the fall videos, but that's just because it is the season and I'm loving making those videos. So today I am going to be talking about my favorite fall palettes. So these are the palettes that I have, that I love, and I wanted to share it with you guys. I'm going to be talking about 5 palettes from my collection that I have been enjoying, and if you guys want to see what my picks are, then please keep on watching. So the first palette I have here is one from Lorac. It is called the Marsala Skinny Eyeshadow Palette. This one is one of the smaller palettes from Lorac. These are the shades that you have here. As you can notice, these are a lot of brownie and wine tone shades, the burgundies. This is a small palette, very travel friendly. In fact, I use all these colors when I travel. I use one for my brow bone highlight, one for setting my eye primer with, and other lid shades, and this dark deep black, I use it as a liner for my eyes. So this is an extremely thin, small, lightweight palette. Very good. It has a tiny mirror if you're on a pinch and you need a mirror. So this is my first pick. This is the Lorac Marsala Skinny Eyeshadow Palette. The second one is an affordable option. I spoke about this palette in my fall favorites and the general fall favorites video. So this is the Colourpop She palette. This is a collab with a YouTuber called Karuchi, and this is again a perfect fall palette. If you look at the colors, you'll be able to notice that this has a lot of those orangey, warm toned burgundy shades right here, and a lot of shimmers right here are also in the deep warm family. As you might know by now, and I keep telling this in all my videos, I love warm colors, and warm colors to do it with a little bit of the fall mix is a little hard, because when you think of fall, you think of cool toned burgundies and all that. So when you have a nice warm palette that has burgundies in it and like orange shimmers and oranges in it, then that is a perfect palette for me. This is very inexpensive. I think it's about just $16. So if you want to pick this up from the Colourpop website, go ahead. I know during the Black Friday time they have a lot of sales going on, so do check it out if it's available at that time. The next one I have, I'm so sorry to be talking about this because I know you guys can't get your hands on it right now, but if you can, and if there's any way you can grab this palette, please do. I'm so sorry about talking this palette. I know you cannot go and right now and buy it, but this is my favorite, and I cannot do a fall palette video or any favorite palettes video without this palette. So this is one from ABH. This is their Mario palette. So this came out last holiday season. Last holiday season they also came up with the Modern Renaissance, which is a permanent palette, which I'm going to be showing next. This is the limited edition palette that they came out with the makeup artist Mario. I love this palette. I have nothing bad to say about this palette. The pigmentation is excellent, so creamy, so smooth, so blendable, so nice, such a lovely palette, and these shimmers are beautiful. This is the palette I have on my eyes right now. Just a simple look. I have the shade Kim right here, or all over my eyelids. I have the shade Isabel in my crease, and then I have the shade Hollywood right here on my brow bone. So that's it, just 3 shades. And I've noticed that the simpler you have your eye shades with this palette, the better. Just use one in your crease, one on your lid, and one on your brow bone, and you're done. So this is a beautiful palette. If you guys can get this palette somewhere, I don't know if they're going to bring this back. I really hope they do, because this is lovely. And if you guys can get it, this is the palette. This is the Master Palette by Mario. Grab this one. Now the next one is the Modern Renaissance palette by ABH again. So this palette again came out last year, but this is a permanent palette. This is not a limited edition. So this is how the palette looks. I know everyone knows about this palette. I am not new in talking about this palette. So these are the shade ranges you have. So this was what I was talking about. This is more of a cool tone palette. I know there are some warm shades. So if you look at this palette, what is really nice about this palette is it's split into 2. So these are all your warm shades and these are all your cool tone shades. So right here you have, if you stick to this side of the palette, you can get an extremely warm toned look. But if you mix some of these shimmers with this side of the palette, with an exception of these two, you can get a pretty cool toned look. And that is why I love this palette, because with one palette, if you're someone who's just looking to buy one neutral palette with a little bit of warm and a little bit of cool tones, and you're not too much into buying all these sorts of palettes and all of these options, then get this, because this is very pigmented, good quality, great price. This is, I think, just $42. So $42 for a high-end eyeshadow palette is pretty cheap. Trust me, there are palettes that are so expensive, over the $100 price range. So this is quite on the affordable side. You have everything in this palette. You have your warm toned crease shades, you have your highlighting shades, you have your shimmers, you have your cool tone shades, nice ones for the lid. I've even used these matte shades all over my lid, not just in the crease. A lot of cool tone shades here, and this is a nice shade for filling in your eyebrows if you want. So if you travel with this, you have that option as well. And then lovely palette, guys. I know this is so hyped on YouTube and everywhere else, and that's for very good reason. This palette is amazing. There is every bit of that hype is so worth it. So check it out, try it out. Now the last palette I have is the Colored Rain Queen of Hearts palette. Now when this palette came out, it came out as a limited edition palette, but what happened was they came out once with the palette as a limited edition, and it became so popular that it came out again with it as a limited stock, as a limited edition palette, and that's when I picked it up. This was one palette I had my alarm set to pick it up. This is quite expensive. This is, I think, on the $60 price range, and for, I think, 12 shades, it's a little bit on the pricier side, but it's good. It's really nice. But now they are, by the end of this year, which is during the holiday season, they are going to make this palette permanent. I don't know if it's already permanent yet, if it's out already, or if they're going to bring it back, but I know end of 2017 it's going to become permanent. So get it if you like bright, shimmery, just metallic looking shadows, because these are not for the faint of heart. This is such a bright and metallic palette. Let me show you. So this is the outer box. So this is a sleeve that just slips in and then you take it out. This is Queen of Hearts. It says it has all the information at the back. This is a nice matte black packaging. When you open it, you have a mirror, and then these are the shades. Once again, this is a palette which has some of warm tone shades and some cool tone shades as well. Now this is, the pigmentation is crazy. Let me swatch a couple of it for you so you know what I'm talking about. So look at these, guys. This is the pigmentation. Let me swatch it. Can you see this? Yeah, this pigmentation is crazy. This is, oh my god. I don't know if you could have seen that red shade. I had it on my knuckle. So yeah, right here. Can you see it? Yeah. This is a crazy palette, guys. Like, it is, if you like a bright shimmery shade all over your lid. I wore this once and it was so bright I had to like put another shadow from my ABH palette, the Modern Renaissance, to like tone it down. So this is a bright, punchy, shimmery, bright palette, and there are nice matte shades in as well. Like, you could really use this palette. This is one palette, once again, you can just take this and like, you'll be good. You'll be good when you travel, you're going for a wedding or for a party, and then you need to take this and get dressed somewhere. This is a good palette to take. So these are my picks for fall, guys, and each one of these palettes I love. I don't know what I'm going to pick up in the VIB sale. I will definitely do a VIB sale haul. I don't think I'm going to be getting that much this year, but whatever I do, I am going to be doing a haul video on that. So if you guys want to see this video, the haul video, or any of my previous videos, check them out and like this video, comment and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.